welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Maria Rosa. I go by bellarosablog online, and here on my channel I share all things fashion, a little beauty, a lot of travel, and I share weekly vlogs sharing my life as a full-time creator. So if you are interested in any of that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a brand new video, and make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. If you guys saw my last NYC vlog, I will post it up here. If you have not, I took you guys along with me to purchase my first Polène bag. That purchase was not even planned. We were just walking around Soho, came across the store. I believe this is Polène Paris' first US store. So the store had been open, I want to say, for a week when we walked in. I've been obsessed with the brand for a while, and their Numero 10 bag was on my wish list for a very long time. When I saw the bags, I knew I had to leave with one. Even though I didn't end up buying the bag that was on my wish list, I left with one even better. I got the Numero Neuf, which is number 9 in English. A little bit about the brand. So Polène Paris is a Parisian leather good brand. It was founded in 2016 by two brothers and sisters. And what I love the most about the brand is that every bag, every accessory is very versatile as well as minimal in style. They come in neutral tone colors. There's browns, there's hues of tan. I just love the look of the bags. They're not doing too much. They're very simple and classic, and also they're very affordable. I consider them a mid-range luxury, and when we talk about mid-range luxury, for me, I think anything between $100 to $500. Side note, something I really want to do on my channel is really expose people to really good mid-range luxury brands that, you know, don't get the hype that they deserve, and Polène Paris is one of those brands. So I am going to unbox this and give you guys my first impression. I actually have not touched the bag or opened the bag since the sales associate put it in the box for me. So this is going to be an unboxing, my first reaction, all of that. You probably can't tell, but the bag is a little dusty because I had to travel with it. Of course, you get a shopping bag, and then the bag itself comes in a box. And at the top of the box, it has the brand logo and gold detailing, but it also has the name of the bag, which is the Numero Neuf. When you open the box, I hope you guys can see, there is a card with, actually, the image on the card is Polène Paris Numero 1, which is one of their first bags, and actually the bag that they are known for, but I actually don't like the shape of that bag. All right, so there's some tissue paper in there. You open it. It comes with a dust bag. Okay. And here she is. So I did go with the mini over the regular size. I think it's two sizes, a mini and a regular. I don't know if they call it medium, but I think it's just like a large or a mini. And although it is called a mini, to me, like, it's a pretty decent size. I wanted a bag that I can go out in the evening, wear every day. The bigger size was too big for my needs. I don't know, it reminds me of a dumpling low-key. I think that's why I'm so obsessed with the shape. So all of Polène bags are handcrafted. I think from what I saw on the site, I think they're handcrafted in Spain, if I'm not mistaken, but the material is made of Italian full grain calf skin leather, and the inside is lined with 100% cotton. It comes in, I believe, 12 different colors. There was this beautiful lavender color that I wanted, but I don't wear color that much, so it didn't make sense for me to purchased the lavender one. There was a beautiful like pinkish color. There's a tan color. I definitely want to start a collection of Polène Paris bags. So this is just the first of many. Let's open the bag. So inside of the bag is a crossbody strap. So you can wear this bag as a top handle as well as a crossbody, which is what I love about it. Like I said earlier, it's very versatile. I believe all of their bags give you both the option of holding it, you know, as a top handle as well as a crossbody. So that's something really good about the company. Stuff on the inside with tissue paper. I'm gonna give you guys a more close-up look of the inside and how much spacing you get. For this being called a mini, I think you do get a lot of like space inside of it. I can definitely wear this bag out on a date with a cute outfit, you know, dress it up, dress it down, whether I'm wearing a fancy dress, whether I'm just wearing jeans and a t-shirt. I feel like I can get so much usage out of this bag. Now let's talk about what actually fits inside of the mini. My wallet and my keys. I'm gonna put that in there. The ultimate test for me is whether my emergency pouch can fit inside of this bag. Now this is a pouch that I put inside of all of my bags. So this is my emergency pouch. This is the bag. Let's see if it can fit. Okay, I might not be able to get the pouch to fit in there, but I might have to pour everything in there. These are some of the things that I always carry with me in most of my bags. So let's see if I can get all of these things to fit inside of this bag. All right, so the first thing is my hand sanitizer, my AirPods, my Advil, because I get random headaches throughout the day, hand lotion, my compact mirror, my mini native deodorant, Lysol disinfectant spray. Don't ask why. Okay. I have my mini roll-on perfumes. This is the Gucci Flora from Sarah Jessica Parker. It's a scent that I like. I have a lip gloss, a scrunchie, tampons, poopery. You never know. You never know. You will never catch me slipping. And then I have some cough drops, and they all fit in there. Look at that. They all fit in there. I didn't try fitting my phone in there, but I know I could if I wanted to. I usually have my phone in my hands or in my pocket somewhere, but I know my phone will definitely fit in there. Alright you guys, that is it for my Polène Paris Numero Neuf unboxing, first impression, and what fits inside of the bag. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please let me know in the comments. If you have this bag, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're planning on purchasing this bag, I will leave a link in the description box for you so you can purchase it. So this was my first unboxing video. If you enjoy these style of videos, please let me know in the comments as well.